You know the video is rolling, right?
Wait, what? Oh.
I'm blocking it.
Oh, sorry. So, yeah, we're doing an Animal Crossing Part 2.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Camera fell.
Nice, right? And the camera's blurry. Oh, great.
Sorry. We don't have like an actual camera. We just use a phone.
Yeah, because we have no money.
Well, I mean, we have money. It's just we don't want to buy.
Well, we don't make anything from YouTube. No one watches our videos.
Yeah. So yeah, we're playing Animal Crossing Part 2. And we have Glowstone with me. Not sponsored by anything, remember that. And we've got some new stuff in the game that happened. And this time we're not going to really explain things. We're just going to like sort of play the game.
Yeah, because explaining things is boring.
So that's not what Tanner's face looks like. Exactly not. Tanner doesn't even have blue eyes. And yeah. And for some reason we did the Southern Hemisphere, so it's fall right now. Literally. So yeah, let's do this. That's Cat. So, yeah, some stuff new happened. And we're just going to play too. Cat's singing. And Tanner went into a nook mouth. So, we're not going to really be doing that much or explaining that much stuff. We're just going to be playing. Glowstone, talk. I have nothing to say. Okay, I guess Glowstone's not going to talk in this video. So, just to let you know, we've invited someone to the campsite. Try to guess who he is just by his amiibo. Okay, you might not be able to see because it's really dark.
If you do the amiibo thing, of course you're going to see because that's the name and everything.
Okay, just try to guess. It was really dark, so just try to guess, guys. Leave your guess in the comment below before you see this part.
Or don't.
Yeah, either one. It's Ketone. So, Tanner got him a decoy duck today. So yeah, he's a colorful eagle. And we're gonna scan him again tomorrow and he'll be our resident. Yay. And we're also working on KK Slider, the KK concert. And so, we're just going to try to improve our island stuff and our population. That's Shep. He's our new resident. We got a new resident off screen. We're going to get Ketone off screen after this video tomorrow as a resident. So you may not be able to see that. So Tanner's hitting a tree, and we've got. Did you know you could actually catch wasps in the game? A wasp nest falls down, And then right before you get it, you just boom. They gone. And you see that there's mushrooms here? That's not going to happen on your island right now if you chose the southern hemisphere. I mean northern hemisphere. If you chose the southern hemisphere on accident or purpose, then we did it on accident. On accident or purpose, then yeah. We're going in the shop. And today we just got Mabel and Sable shop. The Able shop, I think it was called.
7,000?
What? Bells? We need a bell. Okay, we do have bells, like, so that's Timmy and Tommy. You probably should have known that. If go watch our first video. And so Tanner is selling some stuff.
I have nothing to sell.
Barely.
Wait, is the fish guy still here?
Yeah.
Really? You saw him?
But he gives you challenges. He doesn't take selling. He gives you challenges. Or you could just get a sculpture of him. Yeah, we have a fish guy going around on our island until 5 a.m. tomorrow. And so yeah, we're just going to be playing the game and maybe figure out some new stuff. And if you've seen the last video, you know there's Wisp. He's not in this game anymore because he left, remember? Well, I mean, you won't remember because we completed his thing off screen. He basically said when you hit him, you needed to find the rest of his spirit parts. And you needed 5. You had to catch him with a net. And once you caught all 5, you gave them back to him, and then he goes like, yay, and then turns back into his normal form and then leaves the island. It's a fun little mini game. It's really fun. So now Tanner's talking to Blathers. Oh, we just completed a fossil. So Blathers is just talking. So Blathers is just explaining some things. And yeah.
But we found the rarest fish.
Yeah, do you want to see it, guys?
Hold on.
Tanner got no miles. I caught the rarest. I got 2 rare, kind of rare fish. Okay,
Stand next to Blathers.
Cheese.
I don't have any. It's the only happy one I have.
We just took a picture. Let's go. So let me show you what up. Oh my god, you're taking forever. Okay, I need to show you the 3 rare fish I caught. So I go to Critterpedia. At first we were like, this is. So the first time I caught one of these giant fish, the first giant fish I caught was this tuna. And yeah, the second giant fish I caught was a sturgeon. And the rarest fish is the coelacanth. It's huge. it's there all day, but it's only in the sea on rainy days. So if you want to try to catch one, you need to go to the sea on rainy days and find a size 6 fish shadow. And sturgeons are only in the river mouth, which is when the river is right next to the ocean. And also tunas are only at the pier of the ocean. So we're just gonna play the game. And if you're wondering how we got these non-flimsy items right in our hand, we basically just waited a little bit and we got not so bad tools crafting recipe, and now we have these better, the ones that don't break as easily. So this is like a size 2 maybe. A fish shadow. This might be like a bitterling.
Or crucian carp.
Yeah, crucian carps are so.
Except I don't know what it's
It's a can.
Or it's a can, like it could also be a can.
Yeah. You can also go trash fishing like that and put trash. That might be a sturgeon. That's a size 6.
No!
What? I went away so fast. Do this, bro. You know how Tanner's doing that thing where he goes to this little inventory with all his tools? It's called touring. It's essential. You basically you gotta get it, and then you press top arrow, and then that would go to it. And yeah. And there's sometimes like an item of the day, and one time it was that, and we both bought it.
I didn't buy it on the item of the day. I had it when I first got it.
Oh yeah. I got it on the item of the day.
I've always had it.
Damn this fly. You just don't want me there. Please. I don't want to go in my inventory. Oh, wait. Oh, that's called an incline. You don't place it down, you have to make it alone. And this is Sable's shop. It's still under construction. For some reason, it takes 2 days to under construction.
Or it could take till tomorrow, we don't know.
Well, yeah, so far. So far, it's the second day. We just ran through those flowers.
You can only limit up to 8 items. I wish it would be like 10.
I don't have a ladder, so I'm just gonna teleport. You gotta get so far away from the leader. You see Tanner's the leader. You shake controllers to change leader. You shake, the leader shakes his controller, and then the person presses A. Oh my. So Tanner is just doing ladder stuff. So we're just looking for fish. And yeah, pretty much to the game until something new happens. Like tomorrow we're getting a resident. Keaton. The guy we showed you. The eagle.
I'm saving for 10,000.
Oh, hi, Wendy.
She was gonna hit you with her net.
No, she was trying to catch a fish.
With
I
her
mean,
net?
I mean bug. So nets and fishing rod. To catch fish, you basically need to so you need to get in a position where the fish notices you, like what Tanner's doing right now, and then it bites a few times until it tries to pull it under the pull it. That's when you press A and then reel it in.
Didn't we already discuss this in our last video?
Well, I mean, they might have not even watched the last video.
Well, I mean, they're probably not here to learn how to play the game.
Look, I win. Wow, Tanner, sing a lot of one another today. See you later. Bye.
Mine is kind of...
Well, yeah, I mean, like, that's kind of true. Hi, tuna.
It's not a tuna.
Yeah.
It's like a sea bass.
Sea bass. We made a song that goes like, sea bass. So, one day Tanner was trying to catch a cold plant because I caught one, and it was a rainy day. And then we caught like 30 sea basses, and then like 0 coelacanths.
Oh my gosh, this sea bass is so hard.
We're so good at, we caught so many common fish so many times that we're good at telling them just by the outside shadow. I mean, yeah, this is see that.
Bubbly Bubby TV show coming soon.
Yeah, it's
Friday.
coming Friday, and watch it. And if you like the channel, if you like this video, you should like. And if you like the channel, you should subscribe if you're new or haven't subscribed. And yeah, there's cauliflower. So yeah, blah blah. I keep on. Oh, those are called hermit crabs. We call them conchs, but they're hermit crabs. You gotta get your net out and catch them. We caught one before, but I mean, like, sometimes. Whoa, football fish. In some countries, it's a soccer fish. Yeah, you're right. In our country, unless you live in, like, unless you're British.
No, I want it.
Nope. Bye. Bye. Not in. Really? Not in.
I'm saving for ketone tomorrow.
Nope. Speaking this in that one. You're saving for ketone? You're getting materials?
No. I have to buy land for them, which is $10,000.
Oh.
Suck
Kitty cat. Nope, not a reaction. Just about everyone. It's yours. You got what it said. Retro gas pump.
What the
I
heck
am
is
not
that?
a rock star. Purdy. Tanner, did you know I caught a football fish?
I know.
No, I mean like when you were here.
A gas tank? Yeah, I'm selling this.
Yeah, I mean we're trying not to have plastic on the island. It's right here.
I know, I'm not done.
Z shop. is
You've been
right.
smelling that for like 20 minutes.
If my calculations are correct,
What's
I have a
fair?
fishing rod too.
What? That's not. What?
I have a fishing rod. Look in my hand. Don't kill the flowers. Don't kill the flowers. Really, Tanner? You scared them away.
There was no fish, was there?
There was, Tanner. doing it?
They're not fishing.
I saw one with my own 3 eyes. See? Tanner!
I was doing that as a joke. I didn't know it actually scares the fish away.
Yeah, it actually scares the fish away.
I was going to do it for a second and then take it off. I didn't know it actually scared them.
Whenever you do it, it scares the fish away. Oh no. The one it's biting is yours.
Okay, well, that's going to be it for the video.
Subscribe and like the video. BYE. BYE.